what is the projection of A vector on B vector? Here we have to find projection of a vector on another vector. So we have drawn a diagram. Here we have indicated two vectors, A vector and B vector, like this, and angle between these vectors is represented by theta. Now we have to find projection of A vector on B vector. Projection sometimes is also known as component. So we will see how to find component of A vector on B vector. For that we will draw a component from head of A vector on another vector, that is B vector. So here this will indicate perpendicular which is drawn from head of A vector on another vector, that is B vector. So component or projection indicating in this figure will be like this. So this section will represent the component or projection of a vector on another vector. That is the base of this triangle. If we want to calculate this here only with the help of right angle triangle, we can see, because this is right angle triangle, by trigonometric function we can directly write it as A cos theta. So this section of A vector, that is projection of A vector on another vector, that is B vector, is coming out A cos theta, which is from this point to this. So A cos theta is the projection of A vector on B vector. So here we will write this as A cos theta, but theta is not given in our question, therefore we will change or modify the answer accordingly. So A cos theta. Now if we write it as A into 1 into cos theta, so 1 can be written as magnitude of unit vector, and unit vector can be considered here as B cap. So we can say it can be related with AB cos theta, where B is equal to 1, means B is a vector which will be having magnitude 1, known as unit vector. Therefore we can write it as A dot B. So for our question we can write it as A dot B cap, because in our section B is equal to 1. Therefore we are getting A vector dot B cap is equal to A into 1 into cos theta, or we can say A cos theta, which is the projection of A vector on B vector. That is, this is representing projection. Sometimes it is also called component. The projection of A on B is coming out A vector dot B cap. Therefore answer of this question is A vector dot B cap. Thank you.